Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Kind of a late start to the day. We are just finished doing our Instagram live. We are now headed to Starbucks to get a cup of Java, and we're meeting up with somebody to train arms. Yeah, arms in just a little bit. Crystal took Jack out to take a leak. Let me find them. Crystal's stressed out. Stressed out, baby?
Yes.
Why?
I'm stressed out because there's not enough time in the day for everything. I'm trying to figure out when I'm going to work on my clients. I have people that are actually waiting on me right now, and I have to go to the gym, and I have to pack the van for the bricks, and then I got to make bricks all day. There's just not enough time for anything.
What we're gonna do?
Do it anyways.
We're gonna do it anyways. Alright, y'all, I just got done slamming some biceps, some triceps. That was a very bad way to pose. Crystal was working on clients, so she is going to train tonight.
With Kayla!
You are?
Mm-hmm.
That'd be fun.
Yeah.
But we have something cool to show you. Check this out. Check it out.
Ooh.
Boom. Look at this. Look at this. What is it, baby?
Espresso machine!
Espresso machine!
Woohoo!
You excited?
I'm so excited.
Huge shout out to Coy for getting us hooked up on this.
Thanks, Coy.
Thank you, Coy. You're amazing.
You're awesome.
We're gonna make some
and your
coffee.
Wife.
I am super excited about this thing, y'all. I just got it all washed and cleaned up and ran like a test batch of just water through it to clear out all the valves and whatnot. So I'm gonna wait till Crystal gets back here and we're gonna cook up some coffee. That'll probably be tonight. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and make meal number one. Alright, y'all. While I was cooking my ground beef, I realized that I am almost out of ground beef. So I'm ordering more beef from US Wellness Meats right now. Now submitting my order. So this is gonna be about a 2 weeks worth of food of the beef. I'm buying ribeyes and I'm buying the ground beef. Thank you, order successful. So I'm excited for this to come in. US Wellness Meats is top notch. I really love their stuff. I also love, I've never used ButcherBox, but I hear nothing but good things about them, so they're probably fine. And I really like Crowd Cow. So those are the two main sources, US Wellness Meats and Crowd Cow, where I get all of my beef because I just know it comes from a good source. So yeah, that's what we got going on there. Just ordered some more food. Time to eat. Not gonna lie, y'all, this ground beef bowl is certainly growing on me. I love it. Mighty, mighty tasty. And super nutritious. Alright, so today is going to be a lot of computer work. I'm like 2 weeks behind on my email. Sorry if you sent me an email. Right now I'm editing a vlog. That is what we got going on there. So, this is the vlog that's about to go live. And I'm going to edit another vlog, work on email, work on social media messages, and just try and get ahead and caught up. So, let's dive into this computer work, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, y'all, it's been a good long 5-6 hours in front of the computer. My lower back's all tight. I'm actually hungry right now, believe it or not, which is kind of strange, seeing how I've already had one of my meals, which was 2,500 calories. I'm gonna go meet up with Crystal right now. We're gonna work on some brick making, and that's all I gotta say about that. Oh, I'm gonna get her coffee too because she wants a coffee. Alright, y'all, in the kitchen, making bricks. Crystal's been slaving away over here. Look at that pile of bricks. Look at that pile of bricks. Crystal, what is one thing that you've learned about being in business for yourself that you did not know before?
It's not that I didn't know it, but it becomes a reality when there is no one else to do the job and you're literally the only person doing it. It's a lot of work, and like no matter what, you have to do it, you know, so
the buck stops here.
That's right.
And that is like just the reality of it. Like I just got done washing a bunch of dishes, you know, scrubbing. I'm wearing my apron, scrubbing dishes. Like no job is beneath you, whether it's sweeping the floors, scrubbing dishes, making sales, purchasing product, purchasing inventory, everything is on you. Isn't that right, baby?
That's right. Whether you're tired or not tired or whatever, it's all on you.
But I'll say this, there's nothing more rewarding than building something you're passionate about and you believe in with your own 2 hands.
Or seeing more than 1,000 bricks on the table at once.
Yeah, that is a work of art right there. Look at all those bricks. Beautiful?
Beautiful.
Alrighty, y'all. It is just past 11 o'clock. We are leaving the kitchen now. Crystal's eating some eggs. What else you got in there? Eggs and cheese?
No
or
cheese.
Just eggs?
Just eggs.
How many eggs?
3.
3 eggs. I don't have a steak for tonight because I ate the only one I had, and the ones that I ordered today obviously haven't come in yet, and all the stores are closed right now. But I figured out my macros, and if I eat 12 of those sausages, I can hit my 6,000 calories and hit my macros pretty much dead on the money. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna eat 12 sausages.
Yeah, I don't even want to eat my 3 eggs, let alone 12 sausages.
It's gonna be good, it's gonna be good. So yeah, headed home to do just that. Oh, by the way, I just realized we are planning tentatively to launch the next batch of bricks early next week. Monday or Tuesday. We'll let you know exactly as it gets closer, but that's kind of what we're shooting for right now. So early next week, the next launch of bricks will be going down, right?
Yep.
We'll let you know exactly
Monday,
what day, what time, all that jazz. So plan for that. All right, y'all, we are back at the warehouse. We got all the boxes unloaded. We got about 3,100, 3,200 bricks right now. We got kind of behind schedule with the move and then the funeral, just lots of chaos going on this month. But we're gonna make up for lost time the rest of this week, and we're gonna bring you bricks next week. Right now, time to eat. All right, y'all. In case you were wanting to know what 12 sausages look like, that is what it looks like. That is what I'm gonna have to scarf down right now at midnight before I can go to bed. Yeah, buddy. The joys of 6,000 calories. Oh, I gotta put like 2 tablespoons of Primal Kitchen mayo on here and fatten it up a little bit. Alright, I'm about to dive into this smorgasbord of sausage. I will catch y'all tomorrow.